crashing, hit a wall. Right now I need a miracle. Hurry up now, I need a miracle. Stranded, reaching out. I call your name but you're not around. I say your name but you're not around. I need you, I need you, I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now. So don't let me go.
What originally started as a student senior project to solve the rising cat population at Cal Poly has now turned into an area where people can adopt these domesticated feral cats.
That you'll be here when I need you the most. So don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down.
The feral cat population at Cal Poly has dropped from about 400 in 1992 to about 30 today.
What's unique about the Cal Poly Cat Shelter is that it's a no-kill shelter.
Did you know that approximately 600 cats and dogs are killed every hour in the U.S. in overcrowded shelters because there's not enough homes for these animals?
But now there's nobody by my side. I need you, I need you.
The Cal Poly Cat Shelter has placed over 1,500 cats and kittens into caring homes.
So don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down. I think I'm losing.
There's a common misconception about cats. They aren't all hostile, they're actually quite affectionate.
Here when I need you the most. So don't let me, don't let me, don't let me
This cat sanctuary, as Danielle Fogg, the assistant director, calls it, wants this shelter to be more well known around campus.
Don't let me down, down, down.
Think about how you can help, whether it's adopting a cat or spreading awareness among people and students in your community.
Don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now. It's in my head, darling. I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. So
It's time to get involved.
don't let me, don't